so it's protected when you are not using the camera. Hi B, you like my camera too? Yes, it's very nice. And it also likes my hair. We are going to test for the first time this new camera we got, the Kodak Retina 1B, with some Fuji Pro. We thought that it could be fun also to maybe try some spire film with the Mamiya 645. Fuji Color Superia Extra 400 in 120 film. This is something that is not made anymore. And according to the box, it's expired from 2003. So we don't really know how it's gonna come out. It's a 400 film and we are gonna rate it at 100 just to be on the safe side. It's a really cool looking camera. I really love it, and I had a shot with it. Yes, I almost forgot. If you like the straps that you're seeing here, these are made here in Europe by a very cool guy out of Greece. I really liked them when I saw them on Instagram. I decided to order a couple. We ordered 3 different ones for different cameras. If you are interested to check out and maybe get one, there's a affiliated link below that you can check out. This one, the same as the Vito V, the focusing, it's a zone focusing system. So a lot of guessing and trying to see where can we put the focusing. And yeah, I'm going to really go off by the light meter reading. So whatever you're seeing there, it is a 400 film rated at 200 following this light meter. It's a 50mm lens and I'm very used to using 35, so I'm always positioning myself way closer than normal. So I'm following the frames of the frame inside the viewfinder. This is the Model 2 of this particular camera, and they upgraded it by putting a second window that has a very nice framing showing in the viewfinder, so you know more or less where to compose your shot. Found a very cool place. It's the grounds of an old castle. So basically this is like, I guess, ground level, and it used to be up here, but now it's like the bottom part, and one can actually go down and move through it. Let's just take some shots around and yeah, get captured this part before the sun is too low. It's a bit complicated to read because it's on the top, then you have to kind of change the position where you are. We're walking now towards an Italian style castle over here. For whoever is not accustomed to Swedish definitions and words, actually a castle doesn't need to be like a big thing. It can be any building that I think over history at least one king has slept at least one night or something like that, then they can have the castle word in the name. We are on our way to something that is called the Pavilion, which I guess it means the acoustic pavilion, maybe. It's apparently good for music and also wedding photography, because I've seen a lot of wedding photographers taking photos in that place. So it's actually saying over here, weddings in the Eco Temple, a beautiful place to celebrate love. To the Turkish Pavilion kiosk. It was an exotic summer house for someone. So I guess that's what they did in this park. They just made summer houses with different styles for rich people, I assume. Okay. It's basically like an empty one-room apartment. It's kind of cold. We are done for today. Light has completely fallen, and yeah, we managed to finish the whole roll here of Fuji in the Kodak Retina 1B. I hope the photos turned out alright. Hope you enjoy watching the photos. Maybe tell us in the comments down below which one is your favorite photo. So what about my experience using this camera for the first time, this Kodak Retina 1B? I have to say I really like how it feels in the hands. It's sturdy, it's heavy, it doesn't feel flimsy, it feels like a good piece of equipment. I really love the fact of this getting this exposure value, putting in the shutter system, and then you already have the shutter speed and the aperture combination that makes it very quick to use. But on the other hand, of course, you have to guesstimate your focusing, so you have to take some time to make sure that you are focusing the right thing, because you are not going to be able to see through the viewfinder. But the dials for the focusing and the markings are quite helpful and very well put there, so that also helps quite a lot to know which range of focusing you have. So yeah, this is all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to have you back with us in the next one. Bye!